Whether you're planning a corporate product launch or a company Christmas party,
your daughter's wedding, or your grandson's commencement, Top of the Barrel Events is the event team for you. Hello, my name is Hillary Drago.
and my name is Lauren Bennett, and we are the founders of Top of the Barrel Events. With over 15 years experience between the two of us in areas such as bartending and corporate event planning,
Sommelier and food handler certificates. We pride ourselves on bringing the highest restaurant service standards to your event, regardless of size,
location,
or budget.
For your holiday event, we have chosen to feature Rose Hall Run's 2010 Defiant Pinot Noir, paired with a feature appetizer of smoked duck canapé with goat cheese. Pinot Noirs blend particularly well with duck, as the wine's feature building blocks are sourness and fruitiness, while the ducks are primarily fattiness. This is a must-try combination, as the fattiness of the duck enhances the red fruit flavors of the wine while softening the tannins.
Rose Hall Run is one of the most well-respected winemakers in Prince Edward County. This well-balanced Pinot has flavors of red sherry and strawberries and is medium-bodied with medium tannins and soft acidity. For every event, we offer 3 different serving sizes to accommodate your guests' needs. For a 2-ounce glass and 2 smoked duck canopies, it would cost $6.79 per guest. For a 4-ounce glass with 2 canopies, it would cost $10.49 per guest. And if you enjoy a large glass like us, a 6-ounce glass plus 2 canopies will cost you $14.25 per guest.
For your next event, choose Top of the Barrel Events.
And as a holiday wish from us to you, enjoy some good food and a glass of wine or two.